Welcome to How Made. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Jawbreakers, also known as Gobstoppers. These colorful candies have delighted taste buds for decades. Offering up to 10 layers of flavor and sometimes even bubble gum in the middle. To create those iconic chewy centers, workers blend synthetic rubber with powdered resin. This mixture is then heated and steamed to form the base for our candy centers. A thickener, preservative, and soya palm oil are added to prevent sticking. After mixing and steaming at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, the batter is cooled down. Sugar, coloring, and flavoring are added after cooling to preserve their vibrant taste. The base is so versatile that it can even substitute for peanut butter fudge if needed. Once cooled, the batter is chopped and blended with corn syrup, making it sweeter and softer. Flavors like lemon, orange, and tutti frutti are mixed in, along with icing sugar to give the gum its smooth, chewable texture. The gum is extruded into long ropes, which are then cut into hollow tubes. These tubes will create air pockets inside the candy. Segments are shaped into balls using steel rolls. And then cooled to firm them up. For Jawbreakers with a hard candy core, the centers are coated with layers of colored sugar and syrup. Hard candy centers are made by compressing candy powder into solid balls using high pressure, similar to how pills are made. This process is repeated up to 10 times to build up that vibrant outer shell. Some Jawbreakers receive a psychedelic touch, with each one getting unique patterns. A final layer of powdered carnauba wax gives them a glossy shine. The finished Jawbreakers are inspected and packaged. Each one can have up to 10 layers of flavor and sugar, and some are as large as a billiard ball. With a process that can take up to 69 hours, Jawbreakers are a true testament to confectionery craftsmanship. Enjoying one is not just a treat, it's a candy-making marvel. Thanks for watching How Made. Subscribe for more sweet secrets and behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite treats.